We have some news for MRAM Everspin. This is their year, and they had been. This is after their patent lawsuit, which I'm glad I found them after the patent lawsuit. Things started to be a problem, but anyways, you have them once they get this taken care of with Avalanche, which 95% of all semiconductor patent lawsuits end up resolved without trial. So I'm hoping they get something soon. But in the meantime, this is very exciting because an agreement with Microchip Technology supports scalable manufacturing and onshore long-term supply chain resilience. An initial 10-year agreement can be extended to year increment with this microchip technology augment onshore manufacturing capacity for MRAM and tunnel magnetoresistive TMR sensor products. Company will establish a copy exact plus MRAM line to manufacture MRAM and TMR sensor products currently produced, in Arizona. So expanding the manufacturing footprint to support the next phase of MRAM adoption as customers look for long-term supply stability and higher density, more capable solutions. I think this could be for space stuff, all sorts of things. Defense things, they're going to need a lot more missiles and a lot more. They'll look at all this stuff happening to their stuff. Not good. So, MRAM, I think this will be quite excellent for them. And Microchip Foundry is going to be providing their foundry services from its large and expandable manufacturing capacity in their Oregon fab. I like it, people. I like it a lot. I'm hoping they get something taken care of with this goddamn patent dispute. And then I think they would really be in for a shoot. I think that's definitely holding them back a bit. But maybe this came out today at 4. So maybe with the people who respond to this, because it's April 8th, Wednesday. It's after close. So we'll see what MRAM looks like tomorrow.